Cheeto is going to be helping us today again with showing how to do medications. Some medications that we send home is going to be sublingual or transmucosal. That does not go orally. They're not going to ingest it. You're going to actually put it in by the back of the cheek pouch, and it's absorbed by the mucous membranes. So Cheeto here, you'll want to slide it in to the side. There you go. And then her mouth doesn't even have to open that much. You just do not want them to swallow that. Those will be sometimes pain medications or medications we want to absorb in the mucous membranes.